a discussion on brain drain. As you know, today is 75th Independence Day, and it is a proud moment for us. On that day, we are
Yes,
discussing
sir.
about brain drain, which is very sensitive topic. We must discuss on it because we have been suffering from this problem also. So let us start our discussion. Okay, you may start speaking, please.
So, may I, sir?
Yes, of course.
Good afternoon, everyone, and happy Independence Day, all of you. I am Khushi. Before starting, I would like to thank my sir for giving me this golden opportunity to tell about the topic. The topic is brain drain. At first, I would like to say what is brain drain. Brain drain is a departure of educated or professional people from one country or field from another, usually for better pay or living conditions. And it's very tough to say brain drain is bad or good because without analysis we can't say anything, because in the since independence before, the brain drain is also in USA and also in USSR, but after independence it's also in India, Nepal, China. It's all over the country, it's held, the brain drain. And I think so, about the brain drain, it's wrong to the our country also, because the good talented person we can deprive their jobs. And so I think it's country, it's wrong for this situation. Thank you, sir, for listening me.
Okay, all right. Now others can intervene.
Can I?
Yes, of course.
So actually, as ma'am said that it's like a outgoing of educated and highly skilled professionals from developing countries to developed ones. And I want to add that ki it's all because of in India there are a lot of reasons, like there are lack of opportunities in developing countries, not in India also. There are lack of opportunities, there are poor infrastructure is there, so people not able to get proper jobs according to their skills. And our education system is not up to the mark, so which can sustain our talent in our own country. And our country's policy are also responsible for this. Like we don't have any policies which encourage our young ones to remain in our country and do their works. Just because of that, we are not able to provide them proper incentives which they needed. And our education policy is maintained on that way, like we are not providing such type of loans and education loans to educated ones which they needed. In nations like China, Taiwan, Japan, they provided proper type of education loans to their peoples, if, to in order to uh, study in developed countries. But in India there is nothing like there is no policy like China and Japan, because education loans are too high, interest rates are too high in India. As we can say, there are 10 to 15% interest rate are applied on our interest loans. And like there are better quality of life is available in developed nations. According to Mercer Quality of Life Index, it is proved that our cities are not on the proper platform to provide a proper basement for an individual to live their life in a sustainable manner.
Okay.
Yes, sir. I am totally agreed with Pankaj sir, Jitendra sir actually. So I want to say that we are losing our uh, human capital due to the gain drain. Whenever we want to calculate human capital, we have to minus the we have to uh, brain drain minus brain gain. This is the when we what we find the result, it will be a net human capital. So sir, I want to say that I'm totally agree with Jitendra sir. Government is not providing the facilities to the student who are very intelligent. They have to search they have to search another way to prove themselves. Sometimes they have to fight for the scholarship to the other country, those who are providing good facilities, those who are very intelligent person, a very intelligent student. But sir, our government, our nation, actually our government, our system is not doing for the intelligent people. That's why they have to they if they want to grow, and they have to go to foreigner. So government should government should provide the facilities to the person who want to do study further, who want to study in abroad, and after they can come, and they should provide the opportunities for the on the basis of their intelligence, on the basis of their talent, that can be after that we will be able to get net brain gain to take the benefit. After this step, we can stop the immigration of the intelligent people, of the or the highly qualified people, skilled people. So that's it, sir.
Okay.
So may I?
Yes, Kirti. Yes, Kriti. Sorry.
First of all, good afternoon to everyone, and have a very happy 75th Independence Day. So
Good afternoon.
I would like to say that because of the most talented people are going abroad for studies, or for showing their talents. That's why that's why our country is developing. That's why it is not developed yet. If they stay here and just have patience, so we can make our complete country developed like the other countries. The other countries like America or Japan, they don't leave their country and go to abroad for studies, because they have patience. So people must have patience, so they can show their talents in India also. Now it is the condition of India is very good than the past years or past days. So I will say that we should have patience, and we must stay in our country and show our talents in only our
Actually, I
country.
want to counter you. Sorry to
Yes,
counter you,
yes.
ma'am. Ma'am, you are saying people should have patience. Do you know
Yes.
what kind of patient people will make before if we are not going too far, or we are not going to back away, we just see the behind the 1 or 2 weeks, you can see that the boy who is singing Mera Bachpan Ka Pyar, he is very famous, he became very famous, but who win the Olympic gold medal, who win the gold medal in Olympic, Neeraj Chopra. He's not get, he's famous on the base of for his talent only. But that boy who is singing, it is very the boy is very young, so he is singing Mera Bachpan Ka Pyar, and everyone is appreciating that boy. Patient also, those people who are having talent, how they can patient, time will go. So what kind of patient they will
She's
have?
talking about the
Ma'am,
patient which was kept by Mahatma Gandhi. She's talking about the patient which was kept by Dr. APJ
Exactly,
Abdul
sir.
Kalam. There were many people who
yes.
did not go out of the country. If they went, they came back to the country and did something for this, did something for the
And
nation.
the
We can also
boy
prove.
who
Sir,
sang Bachpan Ka Pyar, and he is famous now because of social media. It is the power of social media who is bringing him up. So and Neeraj Chopra, the Haryana government is Haryana government gave him about 6 crore rupees, I think,
Yes.
because
yes.
he won the Olympic medals, and he had patience. That's why he won Olympics gold. He won gold medal in athletics in Olympic games. That is the patience I was talking about.
But ma'am, Neeraj Chopra get his medal because of his talent. Government did
Bhavna ma'am?
after winning the government did after the winning after winning the gold medal. Before
No, ma'am, you
earlier
are wrong.
earlier when he was on
Government
training,
provides
when
5
he
lakh.
was on training, the government did
Bhav-
something for him.
Bhavna ma'am,
Yes.
Haryana government provide 5 lakh rupees for preparing for every.
I think we are off track, guys.
We are not discussing about the
Actually-
Brandon. We are talking about
Yes.
a particular.
Actually it's a type of skills, and whatever you were talking about, the what the name song,
बचपन का प्यार, बचपन का
Bachpan Ka
प्यार.
Pyar. Actually, sir, it's for the time being, and we are talking about Neeraj Chopra. It's a long journey. He came through a long journey after passing some time in Indian Armed Forces, and then he went for the trainings, and then he get an Olympic medal. And if you are talking about that guy, he is just famous because of social media, and that's a different thing. Because it is for the time
Yes.
being. Sir, in past we heard about a beggar at the station who also become famous. I don't remember that the name of that lady, but sir, she also become famous for some time. So that's a different thing. It's not an example of
Yes.
brain drain. If you are talking about brain drain, then you can say that we have examples of Sundar Pichai, the CEO of Google, Indra Nooyi, CEO of PepsiCo, and Mr. Nadella, the CEO of Microsoft. It is an example of brain drains. So we have to discuss about these peoples. And for these peoples, if Indian government also provided some type of incentives from past 2 years. If you are taking example of 2 years, then we are focusing on made in India, local for vocal. These are the things which provide people some facilities, and now people are encourage themselves to stay in India and work for the India, as we do in medical section. In medical sector, government makes a medical policy that if you want to be a doctor from AIMS or any other institution of India, then you should serve in India's rural areas for 5 years, for minimum 5 years. So I think this type of
Yes.
policies government should implement for future.
Okay.
Government has implemented this policy, sir, because whenever if you want to get a government job, you have to stay and you have to serve in the villages for 3
Yes,
years.
so that's I want to say. Sorry, I have no proper data. It's 3 or 5 years something.
You have to spend your 3 years in the villages.
Yes, ma'am, exactly.
Yes,
3 or 5.
Government has
I have no
implemented.
idea about it.
but
So
because
these
of
type
the
of
facilities, nobody want to go to the villages. Nobody want to serve the villages.
Ma'am, it's a point that we don't have
Yes.
a proper infrastructure. If we have proper infrastructure in our Indian subcontinent, then there is no need for people to migrate to other developed nations.
Yes, that's why government need to increase the facilities of in the village area, in the remote areas of the country. Then they can develop, and our country will also be a developed country.
But Bhavna ma'am, I would like to put a question and you have to give me the answer. If there's a problem in the family, okay, so person should leave the family and go outside, or should do something for the family, or should think that other people will do something for my family. What person should do? And similarly, India is in a problem, right? So person should stay in India, should get education, should do something for the country. Why we are blaming politicians? Why we are blaming only the government? We are also responsible somewhere. If we raise our voice, if we show our effort, definitely the output will come.
So may I?
Everybody is seeing their individual benefit. Actually, nobody wants to see the benefit of the country. They think we will have to go outside. After that we can get a good amount of money, a good amount of salary, then we can serve our family also. Everyone thinking about their bread, butter and roti. So So they have to go outside, they have to show their talent. Nobody wants to waste their talent, waste their skills in that, where government will not actually nobody government will not provide the facility to that person.
Sir,
Okay, Jitin.
so it's not about facility. As you say that how government is responsible for that. So, sir, I can say that ki government is responsible in that regard. There is political instability when there is political instability in a nation, and when there is a change in government, every government change their policy according to changes. So, sir, it somehow impact, not fully impacted. I didn't say that. It somehow impacted the migrants because these policies, like as we see in America, there are visa issues are there, which government is responsible for the immigration policies. India's immigration policies are not so up to the mark, which can allow people to stay in India. And politics is responsible because when there is instability.
Good afternoon, everyone. As you know, my name is Priya Saini, and I am very grateful to sir that he gave me the chance to participate in the debate. And the debate topic is brain drain. And I would like to say that why people leave the India, because there is no opportunity in India to get the chance get a chance to be a better life. And if government provide the better opportunity to the Indians, why they are leaving the country? If they are providing some incentives, opportunities, and according to their profession, then why are they leaving the country? So I want to say that if Indian people are get this chance, so they are not leaving the country. They are not going migrate to another country, because they are migrate for developed country like UK, Australia, America. So in that country there are demand for Indian talent, and we lost Indian talent for the global market. And we are actually government should take some action, like they have to maintain aim to create a good word for those Indians who are professionals and who are better in their education, like they are maybe engineer, doctor, teachers, and they are maybe ITns. So we have to provide them a good facility to stay them in India. So government should take some responsibility. Thank you.
Sir,
Okay.
Priya
I
ma'am, I want to.
Sir,
Okay, Pankaj.
okay. My name is Pankaj Amlyar, and I also would like to add some points. As many of you explain about the brain drain. From if we see in the Indian perspective, from the historically we got many benefits for the Indian independent also. If you talk about the India House, it's in the London. In that time, it was the biggest center for the Indian independent movement. From the I'm not recalling his name. He provided the scholarship for the Indian students, and he created an atmosphere for the Indian independent. And if you talk about of the Bhikaji Kama, she was hoisted the Indian national flag in Stuttgart in Germany, and she was releasing a magazine from the Paris, and she also created a atmosphere in all over world for the Indian independence. And because of this all thing, they all are pressurized the Britishes for the Indian independence. And we everybody know that every coins have two aspects. And if we talk about the negative impact, so we know about of the 1983 the Khalistan movement. It also funded by the some some Indian origin person who lives in abroad. So these are the points.
Okay.
And you know, sir, Indians are good at their skills and knowledge. So they, every developed country want Indian talent.
Sir, actually, as Priya ma'am says that the government should do that, government should do that thing, and these things are responsible. Sir, for my point of view, it's not only the government. We are not supposed to blame every time government, because it's not only government. There are many highly official persons are there in India who have proper infrastructure and education levels. Even children of those IAS and IPS officers went out for other countries and then come back to India and involved in politics and other nonsense things, according to me. So that's not a point. Government should do everything, but one should come forward
Because sir,
to do.
in politics, future is very bright if they are belongs to any political family. Future is very
Ma'am,
bright in India.
that's the thing I want to say, that it's not only government who is responsible. These are individuals are also responsible for that. Government may start policies like Startup India, Stand Up India, Make in India, and Atmanirbhar Bharat. These are policies provide incentives and even loans facilities are available. Not, we are not supposed to blame every time government.
Okay,
That's what
I
I mean
agree.
to
We
say.
are not.
And in
I
the
I
think
agree
I
21st
that we
think
are
so
century
not
some
from the
every.
I think so some
2003,
other benefits
Sorry.
are also there of brain drain when people move outside and they go to other countries.
yes,
So don't you feel
We
so
get
that
incentives.
Indians are spreading everywhere all over the world, and they are making our country feel proud that Indians are doing something in other countries also, and they are learning something. They are sending the technologies to our country. So these are not the benefits of the brain drain.
Even we
But
get
yes,
sir,
sir.
I
incentives
would
from
like
these
It's
to.
countries.
also benefits, like remittance. It's contributing 3.5% of Indian GDP, and from the 2003, we are promoting the migrate person for for the honor. We celebrate the 9th of January as a Pravasi Bharti Divas, and now is the
Pravasi Divas.
2021st, the theme of the contribution in self-reliant India, and we are connecting them with the emotion,
But
and they are
sir,
investing in India and
biggest
developing the
loss of
industry
our
like
country is that we are losing our talent and we are losing the competition in our India actually.
And
We
sir,
are
you
losing
were talking
them
these
in the
about
things.
that
globalization. It's
the
common things,
people
ma'am.
We
get
are losing
many.
the big share of GDP. They can
But
their income can be the part
Bhavna
of.
ma'am, as Pankaj said, globalization is everywhere. It is not only in the
Yes,
India. It is everywhere. It is in
and
China, it is in
and we
Japan, it is in USA, everywhere it is.
But
But it
sir,
is more in
but sir,
India.
do you think?
respect individual rights,
But
ma'am. We
such
must
the people
respect.
of China, the people of Japan, they came to India, but the big share of the Indians are established in every corner of the world.
Ma'am, China is the second largest migration. India, in the world, according to World Bank, uh, Indian migration is largest, and second largest is the China. So, ma'am, you can't say that thing.
We get highest amount
So,
of
uh,
remittances.
Yes, yes,
I would like to say that you were saying that people are migrating to foreign countries and they are making our India proud. But when they go there and they are like Americans, they are. I saw some people who
They
are
are
holding the
NRIs.
American flag and they are saluting the American flag, not the Indian flag. So they
ma'am.
forget about India. They forget about our
Sir,
people. They forget.
No,
They
ma'am, you
forget
healthier
the
don't
mind,
think
pride.
like.
healthy
If suppose
environment of
that someone is
competition
live
is
in
not
India, so they have
lacking
to
in India
respect them.
actually.
It is it
Sir,
depend on the policy. If someone
sir,
is
healthy.
living in India, so they have to respect Indian flag. So they are also
Sir,
doing this. If not,
No, they
do you
respect
think
India
about
flag,
the
but they
healthy
respect
competition?
American flag. They respect American flag more than Indian flag.
I would
And
like
so,
to
yes,
ask
if
you,
they
I
are
would like
become
to ask you,
NRI,
scientists and those people who are in army and those who are engineers, they are not respected in India. You all are saying this thing. They are not respected.
No, sir.
No, sir,
They
that's the point.
they
That's
are
not the point.
respected.
Then what is the reason they are going outside? Just for earning money. Money is not
Sir,
everything
no, sir.
sometimes.
No, no, no,
For
no,
the
sir. Money.
But
facilities
they
and
Sir,
got
for
a
the
chance
safety and
to
security
improve their
also.
There
Food
is
talent.
many
safety.
things
If they got a chance
because
to improve
sir,
their talent, they can go and they can appreciate India also.
And
sir,
sir,
Yes,
there are
many
many
here is
things.
have
not
childhood dream to go abroad and study about their study more and learn more and show their talents to all over the world. It may be their childhood dream, so they go there to
No,
fulfill their dream.
there is many things behind it.
Priti ma'am, it's good
Yes.
for our country. It's a very proud to be an Indian. An Indian person
They
can go in abroad and they can prove the India
they are
talent.
spreading Indian culture also.
Yes, they
But
can
And
prove
sir, we
Economy
have
is.
a huge
I
loss.
think
And
that
we
they
have
should
a
go abroad after showing their talents in India, and they can
Ma'am, you can see most of the foreigners can come India and they can also very love the Indian culture, Indian food. They can very
and
impressed
it- and
by
and
the
because
Indian.
of the brand and international trade also increase because if they are living in the abroad and they're demanding the Indian things, so obviously it will be
Yes,
increased. That is
they
also a
can
good
know
thing.
about the India culture, and the Indian
and
culture is
and
very old.
and
Okay,
if you
I
talk
think
about
Jiten,
the
you
Indian
want to say
government,
something? Put your point.
Sir, actually, it's not about economy and political instability and other things which are responsible. There are some other reasons also, like corruption rates in India. The corruption is too high in India, and if we are talking about the Norwegian countries, there are according to Amnesty International, the corruption rate in India is too high, and there is very limited access to healthcare facility in India. Health is also an issue which promote people to migrate to other countries. The third thing is better quality of life. According to Mercer Quality of Life Index, Indian cities are not up to the mark, and academic freedoms is too much in for the in foreign countries. If we are talking about the world top universities, India's IITs and IIMs not even in top 200s. And if we are talking about Oxford, Massachusetts, these universities top level university which encourage Indians to move in those countries and learn according to their skills. Third thing is there in foreign countries, if you are talking about European nations especially, there are more sense of liberalism and laissez-faire which promote peoples to do according to their own. In India there are many restrictions are there which proved as a push factor for the peoples to move outside. These are,
And
you
sir,
can say, these are some points.
because of the laws, here is very difficult to open new project, new business. Here is very
No ma'am,
difficult,
now
and the
government,
tax rate is very high. Is there? That's
now
why. That's
government,
why people
ma'am,
are going to. Yes, yes, sir.
government is now trying to providing single window clearance system which can nullify these, you can say, law and laws. There are many laws, there are only single window clearance system is in India now, so there is no any
But sir, because
hanky
of
panky
the
manner.
you said because of the corruption, it is not easy in India.
Yes
The
sir.
tax rate is very high in India.
No, and tax rate and corruption is two different things. So you are talking in
Yes.
two dipoles. Corruption is a different thing, tax rate is a different thing. If you are talking about corruption, then you should say that when we are going for something, then we have to pay some incentive under the table. That's the different thing. As a company, you are not supposed to be worked in corrupted manner. That's not the point. Now you have laptops and computers in front of you, and then you can apply for each and everything, and you can get the clearance online, which there are no means of corruption is there.
Sir, it is not easy, sir. You are saying you have heard, but
I
those people who want to start their business, ask them.
I
It is very
agree, ma'am.
difficult.
It's not easy because corruption is in our nerves. Corruption is in our nerves. I totally agree with you. But it's also a point that single window clearance system, such type of systems provide an individuals opportunities to work on their own.
Sir,
As a government,
we are inviting FDI also. We are inviting FDI also. This is also the cause to we are attracting to the other people. It is also good, but but the if we see the point of competitiveness in our country, the healthy competition are going to vanish.
Competition is
Actually,
there,
ma'am,
ma'am, in the context of population. There's a healthy competition.
Yes, there is a lot
No,
of
sir.
competition.
So
But
actually,
not the
population
healthy
control policy.
competition.
In a sarcastic way,
What's-
I'm saying there's a competition in the matter of population. It is increasing day by day.
So,
Hmm.
so I want to give some solutions for this.
Okay.
So actually, in India there are reservation system from last 70 years. So
Yes,
firstly,
sir.
we
It
should
should be vanished. Yes.
so firstly we should implement the meritocracy system. One should qualify according to merit. Second thing is that ki population control policy like one child policy of China. Such type of
Right.
policies should be there in India in order to control our population so people get proper opportunities. Population boom is
But,
also
sir,
a problem
China
for
has
India.
changed. Actually, sir, China has changed its
China-
population policy
China now changes
Now it has
population policy from 1 to
because
3.
they don't have
I know
youth
that.
population comparatively the old population. They don't have
But,
enough
ma'am-
strength for the youth.
But ma'am, China started their development from early 1980s. So at that time, they used policy of one child policy. And now they changed their policy from 1 to 2, then 3. And now India think about one child policy. Now you can think how far Chinese are from Indians. That's my point is.
But there is no democracy, na? So there is because of that no democracy system, the any policy can be implemented very easily.
Ma'am, I don't think so. The democracy is an hurdle in implementing this policy. One child policy and two child policy. It's a
Yes.
different thing. Democracy is not means a hurdle. How can you say that the democracy is a hurdle?
Sir,
The
sir, you
opportunity
cannot
you-
implement it forcefully to the people. You cannot forcefully.
Ma'am, by making laws, government implement triple talaq, government abolish 370, government make Ram Mandir.
So
By making the laws,
government is
ma'am,
bringing
by
that.
making
Government
by
is
making
bringing that.
by making laws, government should definitely do it.
Okay, I would like to interrupt now. We are going to complete 40 minutes, so we have to end this discussion. At last, I would like to say we have right to develop ourselves, but we cannot trouble our country to develop just ourselves. Okay, this is the
Yes,
final
sir.
solution. And thank you for joining us. We have got only a few seconds. The meeting will be
Sir,
over.
Thank you, sir.
Okay,
Thank
and
you so
let's
much,
meet
sir.
another day.
Thank
We had a
Independence
nice
Day to all.
discussion.
Thank you, sir.
Wishing you happy
Happy
Independence Day in the last. Take
Same
care.
to you, sir.
Happy Independence Day, sir,
Thank you.
and everyone.
Take care. Bye bye.
you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Bye, sir.